Here's our 1978 AMF Alcourt Sunfish Sugar 2. Picked them up yesterday. A little bit of water inside. Not too bad actually, considering it's been in the car wash, and I filled the mast step up several times. Wasn't sure if it was leaking or not, and I think we figured out today that that's the first leak area we found. Get that area out. You can tell on these boats AMF, and then down at the end here the 78 means a 1978. But she's in pretty good shape overall. The parts haven't been stripped off, that's a good thing. Got some old patches that we'll need to clean up. The deck's been painted. We got some of the paint off, but we still have the gel coat stripes. Here's our AMF Alcourt Sunfish. Little patch in the bottom needs to cleaned up. These older swivel cam cleats, not sure if that one's still working or not. It might be. It's got the splash guard, the trim. Needs the factory halyard cleat. Got a fairly decent, seem like they're in decent shape, but the problem with these mast steps, we go in here and see where the resin has peeled away from the fiberglass cloth beneath it. So we'll put some thickened epoxy in there, and this should be a full. So there's a slow leak in there. A few more patch areas on the bottom. Needs the factory bow handle, which Fraser gave us, but still has a bow, unlike some other boats we bought. We've had to rebuild it, so we're pretty happy with it. 78 AMF Alcourt Sunfish Sugar 2.